watching Marilyn Monday. Welcome back to Cooking with Marilyn. After the last one, were you wondering what I was going to do with this? Well, wonder no more, because today we're going to make Elvis Presley's favorite sandwich. And that was this, with some peanut butter and some bread. So come on, let's get started. Alright, so we're going to start by cutting the banana in half because it's so big.
That's what she said.
Ridiculously big.
Oh.
It's like, God. I'm not gonna measure it or anything. And then we're gonna make sure someone slips on the banana peel. Then we're gonna cut this way. A lot of people cut it the other way, but that makes it not lie flat on the bread. You have to cut it this way. Why is this banana so... It's like insane. It's an insane banana. Alright, so here I'm going to show you a little secret too. I'm going to put the wet side down. So it sticks to the bread better. We're not going to use the whole thing. Just going to wipe my hands off. Got banana all over me. And then here's a little thing. Alright. You liked creamy peanut butter, which we have. Pretty good at this, considering I've never actually tried this before, so we're gonna find out if it's any good. No judgment. Alright, and here's a little trick I like to do personally. You know how there's good crust on this side and bad crust on the other? Well, I like to flip it. Now there's good crust on both sides. And now we're gonna try it. I always start from the sides because I save all the good crust for the end. Alright, here we go. Save the best for last. Should I do it peanut butter side down or banana side down? I think I'm going to do banana. I got nothing but bread. A little bit of lipstick too. I'm gonna go toward the good crust. It's time for cooking with Marilyn. Where there's smoke, Marilyn cooking, but hey, at least she's kinda good looking. Get your spatula and pan, turn on the oven. Okay, Elvis, that's pretty good. It's time for cooking with Marilyn. Now I've also heard that sometimes he would put bacon on this and then fry it in a pan. Those two things can't make anything bad, so I'm okay with it. I've also heard sometimes that he might put honey on it too, which sounds really good, and it might make it a little more moist and less dry, because these are both really dry ingredients, but I didn't have any honey. So, anyway, thanks for tuning in to Cooking with Marilyn, and I hope you like Elvis's favorite sandwich. I'm just going to keep putting it in your face like it's 3D. Whoa! Whoa! There's Marilyn cooking, but hey, at least she's kind of good looking. Get your spatula and pan, turn on the oven. Goodbye, and thank you for watching Marilyn Monday with Marilyn.